Hello everyone, welcome to LaTeX tutorials. In this video, I'm going to briefly discuss on sectioning in LaTeX. Here, I'm going to consider article as the document class and I'll be illustrating the sectioning for the same. LaTeX provides three levels of sectioning. The first one is called as section itself, and the command for that is /section within the flower bracket name of the section. Let us say I'll call it as section itself. Here is where the text for the corresponding section goes. For example, I'm going to use the LaTeX package and include two paragraphs under the section name called as section. The second level of sectioning is called subsection, and the command is /subsection and the title is subsection. This is only an example I'm taking. You can give any title you want. Once again, I'm going to add two more paragraphs from the LaTeX package. And the last level of sectioning is called subsection, and the command for the same is /subsection. Once again, I'm going to give the title as subsection only. And I'm going to repeat two more paragraphs for subsection as well. Let us now save it and run the file to see how it appears. Right. You can now see when I created the first section, which is by the name section itself, the LaTeX automatically gives a section number for that. So here the section number is 1. When I moved on to the subsection, please note the subsection appears within the main section. Therefore, the subsection numbering is 1.1. If this section numbering was 2, then it would have been 2.1. And finally, moving on to the subsection, the numbering continues in a very similar fashion, and this gets the number as 1.1.1. That is how you create sections and subsections in a LaTeX document. Please note, LaTeX does not provide any further levels of sectioning, and if you try to create any more subsections, it will give you an error. Let me illustrate that. You can see such a command does not exist at all. So only 3 levels of sectioning are supported by LaTeX. Right, that's about this video on sectioning in LaTeX. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.